Let us discuss correlation. Correlation means the relation between two variables x and y. That is, if an increase in one variable results in an increase in the other variable, it is called a positive correlation and is of a form of a straight line. It is called a positive linear correlation. And also, if an increase in one variable results in an decrease in the other variable, then it is called a negative correlation or inverse correlation. The representation of this correlation in a xy plane, it's called a scatter diagram. In this diagram, this is not a linear, so it is called a non-linear correlation. If there is no relation between the two variables, that is called no correlation. Then the correlation is measured by coefficient of correlation. That is the degree of measurement of relation between two variables is called coefficient of correlation. And the relation is expressed in the form of an equation. That is called regression. Coefficient of correlation is denoted by gamma and is known as Karl-Pearson coefficient of correlation. Gamma or gamma xy or rxy, etc. Let given xi, yi values, then we find x bar and y bar. Then the gamma of xy is calculated as sigma xy, that is the covariance of x and y divided by standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y. Sigma xy is equal to 1 by n. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n, xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar. And also another method is rank correlation coefficient. Instead of taking the values of the variable, in rank correlation we consider the rank. And the rank correlation is Spearman rank correlation coefficient. And the formula is gamma of xy equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma di square divided by n into n square minus 1, where n is the number of observation and di is the difference in ranks of xi and yi. In this case, no x values or y values are repeated. If xi or y values are repeated, then the formula is gamma equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma di square plus sigma 1 by 12 into mi square minus 1 divided by n into n square minus 1, where mi is the number of repetitions in x and y